大家好. Okay, so after listening to, based on what this person said, one of the students, so
Practice the first
the
20
900
sentences
Chinese
from
sentence
our
challenge
900 Chinese
so now
sentence
we're
challenge.
going to do the practice. So I'm going to be the A, you're going to be the B. I'll say the first one, you say the second one like that. So if you have been learning it, so do this conversation. So the first one, number one, is ni hao, ni hao. Okay, what is number two? Can you read it? Say it, number two. So like that. So ni hao. The third one, 好久不见, 好久不见, which is long time no see. You say the fourth one. The fifth one, 工作忙不忙? 工作忙不忙? Say number six. Number seven, 前进, 前进. Say number eight. Then number nine, 你怎么称呼? 你怎么称呼? How may I address you? You say number 10. Number 11, 你是李教授吗? 你是李教授吗? Are you Professor Lee? You say number 12. 13, 请坐, 请坐, which means please sit. You say number 14. And the 15, 这是张先生, 这是张先生. Then you say number 16. Then 17 said, 见到你很高兴, 见到你很高兴. Like, which means nice to meet you or happy to see you. Then you say number 18. Then number 19, 我是王, 我是王, 我是王. You say number 20. Okay, so with this, we already practiced the 1 to 20 we have learned in 900 Chinese sentences. See you the next time. 再见.